There's the adoption certificate in the box.
Oh, there is?
Yes.
Do you still do that?
Yeah.
Yes. You gotta adopt the baby.
Wait, hold on. Wait, pick up a cup. Okay, she's got it.
Watch out.
Alright, she's alright.
Hold on, Nicole, you gotta move it.
Hardhead.
Okay, you ready?
It's not in there?
No.
Where's the adoption baby?
Come on, here.
Because this is 2015, I have to go online and get the adoption paper.
Oh, brother.
I think so.
I think so. Okay.
I'm assuming.
Maybe there's a code on the wristband.
She's the most adorable.
You will come up with something like that.
Good.
Only you, Ange.
She's not done
He
yet.
was telling us a story about his nose.
Oh, here we go, okay.
And what Vinny said.
Oh, God. Oh, forget about Vinny. What's that?
I'm your grandpa how it is, okay?
Can you just imagine?
Her boyfriend is Italian, Sicilian.
Look,
She's a very good.
Not this one, another one. A different one.
Wow.
Different one. Not this one. This is June. This one's
It's not in there?
No, I think I have to go online and register.
see the baby,
I
okay?
have to go online and register.
Vinny says, well, you're
Yeah,
not,
reach.
can't do it right now. Injection.
Grandpa, see the